Baler 2013 and their casual attire. Casual attire designed and executed by Team Events, inspired, owned by Mr. Shante Pinona. Once again, wow. Wow, grabe Mans. Napakagaganda nila.
Naiingit ako sa kanila. Ang gaganda na ng suot nila. Ako ganito pa rin. Ang haba pa rin.
Kaya magkoko sa bulan.
Okay na ako dito.
Maraming salamat,
Thank you very much.
Pinona, for this wonderful attire.
Okay, now we are going to move on to the awarding of special prizes. Tama ba,
Wow,
partner?
special prizes,
Okay.
yes.
We have here... Okay. We have here... Darling of the Press.
Darling of the Press means...
Parang Chris Aquino lang, no?
Oo.
Ah.
Yung kahit ano i-endorse sa product, benta.
Yun, mga hinahanap natin. Okay, to present the certificate and sash, may we call Mrs. Linda Alcasabas, Miss Karen Magcalas, Mr. Jason De Asis, and Miss Curi S. Bernardino. Palakpakan po natin
Palakpakan
sila.
po natin sila. Wow. There they are. And the winner is with me.
Wow, again with you in the
Of course.
cashes.
And they're all
Walang
smiling.
cash. Okay, give back lang. Okay.
Every time I say na the winners are with me, everybody's smiling at me. Look at them, they're all smiling at me.
Ayun naman. Style mo. Yes, sir. Okay, are we complete? Not yet. Okay, we have here Mr. Jason De Asis. Okay, and the beautiful girl. What's her name? This is Angela.
Angela.
Wow. Okay, we are still waiting for Mrs. Linda Alcasabas, Miss Karen Magcalas.
Yeah, she's okay. Okay, we're okay here.
Okay na. Okay. There you go.
The darling of the press winner for the night, her Binibining Baler 2013. Ready ka na, sir? Wow! Talaga? Mads, announce ko na ba? Okay, Mads, I'm about to announce the winner of
Okay.
our Darling of the Press. Are you ready?
Ready.
Ready? Ready, girls? Okay, Darling of the Press for Binibining Baler 2013. Casual attire. Everybody, candidate number!
Oh!
Ang lakas ng sigaw, oh. Candidate number! Halo-halo yung number. Candidate number 6, Barangay Buhangin!
Wow! Darling of the Press!
Oh, she is.
She is.
Alright.
Okay, congratulations,
From the
honey.
Lyceum of the East, Aurora, Lyceum of the East Incorporated, in cooperation with the Central Luzon Scholarship Grant, is hereby awarded to this candidate number 6.
Wow, yes, sir?
The certificate entitles to 100% discount. Okay, given to this day, 16th day of August 2013, 404 founding anniversary of Baler.
Wow, there you have it.
100th birth.
Picture.
Anniversary!
Sali tayo. Ayan, best in picture taking
Okay.
kami lagi ni Marcos.
Here you go, sir.
Thank you very much, honey. Thank you very much. And now we are going to have our Miss Avon. Ibig sabihin,
Wow, Miss
Avon
Avon.
Beauty.
Wow, A1 Beauty.
Okay.
Magaling mag-makeup ba yan?
Oo, I think.
I think.
Oo. Saka maganda yung makeup siguro sa kanya. Ganun
Most
naman
probably.
na natin. Okay, for Miss Avon, to give the sash and gift pack, let's call Honorable Gina Z. Agapito, Honorable Noel P. Go, and Miss Maria Kabungkal. Wow, Miss Avon.
Nakaka-tense talaga, pagka, yung mga pageants.
Hindi ko kasi yan naranasan eh.
Hindi ko rin naranasan yung pageants.
Hindi nga.
Hindi ko rin naranasan yung pageants. Naranasan ko manood ng pageants. Pero,
Ayun naman.
This is my first time to host a pageant.
Me too.
Di ba?
Me too, ah.
Puro na lang, ibang pageant eh.
Okay. And I think we are very ready to award Miss Avon.
It's with me again.
Hi.
Always have the privilege. Miss Avon for the night.
Haha. Dun, dun.
Who do you think is our Miss Avon for tonight? Candidate number!
Number 16! Ah, wala po pala. Joke lang. Kinabahan sila.
Our
Number!
winner, wouldn't you know? From Barangay Reserva, candidate number 4,
Wow!
Miss Avon.
Hi, Miss Avon. Wow, napakapayat naman. How many cups of rice do you eat every day? Or you...
Never.
Never? Okay.
Sige na naman tayo. There you have it.
Kaka-sexy. Thank you very much. Congratulations,
Congratulations.
Miss Avon. Thank you very much. Okay. And Miss Power Plus.
Power Plus. Ano yung Power Plus? Power.
May power to. At plus na plus. May masabi lang, you know. Okay. And to give the sash and gift pack, let's have Miss Susana Rutacchio, Honorable Danilo M. Ong, and Mr. Arnel V. Agapito. There you go. Wow. Kompleto tayo ngayon. Miss Power Plus. At yung apat pong mananalo, you should stay guys here in front for the photo op. And the rest, you can now proceed backstage. Dalawa na lang ang winners natin.
Oh my.
Dito sa segment na to. Okay, wow. Nagwagupot na gandahan tayo dito sa harapan. Okay, to award the winner for Miss Power Plus.
And of course, again, I have the privilege. Miss Power Plus. Tonight, candidate number 5 from Barangay Pingit.
Yeah! Congratulations!
Wow.
Barangay Pingit, number 5.
Number 5.
Congratulations! Wow! Picture, Marcos, is our favorite part. And smile. Thank
There
you.
you have it.
Okay, last for the I have it. Kala mo laging sa'yo? Unfair naman yan. Okay, for the best in casual attire. Ito na to. Okay.
She bagged it na.
Okay. Sino po ang bet nila for the best in casual attire?
Number 11.
Yan, di 12. Wala. Number from Barangay Buhangin, number 6.
Oh! Best in casual attire.
Wow, ikaw na ate, ikaw na. Congratulations. And of course, to present, sorry about this one, na-excite ako to present the sash, cash, and bouquet. Let's call Honorable Gina T. Ritual, Engineer Sofronio Raul A. Agarge,
There they are.
Mr. Cianti Canoena, Mr. Wilfredo C. Saturno. Wow. Congratulations. Best in casual.
Sir, I will have the same dilemma if the beautiful girl is right in front of me. I can truly understand.
Yeah, I know the feeling. Smile.
Here they are.
Thank you very much, ladies. But we have first.
Still have a
Yeah, one more.
photo ops.
Photo up first, sorry. Okay, there you go.
Lovely
Kamukha
as
ni
they
Ma'am
are.
si Ma.
Now I'm nervous.
Picture.
Ayos ah.
Thank you very much. And
Lovely.
thank you very much, guys. And let's retain darling of the press here in front, Miss Avon, Miss Power Plus, and Best and Casual Attire. The rest, congratulations, guys. You can now go back. Okay, sa backstage. Okay.
Once again, the winners for casual attire, Avon, Miss
Kulang pa ng isa.
Power Plus,
Power Plus,
Tatlo sila, dalawa.
Best in Casual,
Dalawa yung
and of
nakuha na.
Darling of the Press.
Darling of the Press. She bagged 2 of those.
Wow, congratulations, ladies.
Everybody, palakpakan naman natin ang ating mga winners.
Picture daw tayo, Marcos. Hold on.
Photo op. Okay, photo op.
Okay, thank you
Teka.
very much.
Teka, ganun din ako.
Para naman hindi tayo out. Okay. Thank you, ladies.
Thank you,
Congratulations. Okay, now we are going to proceed with...
Alam mo, Mads, kinakabahan ako kasi kanina gown. Tapos sumunod casual. Ano kaya yung susunod, Mads?
Ito favorite part mo yung susunod eh. Pero bibitinin muna kita ngayon,
Bibitinin mo
partner.
ako.
Bibitinin kita.
Sige.
Big